Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with yet another DIY project that is a trouser to dress transformation. So let's get on with it. For this project you would require a wide leg trouser, bell bottoms or whatever you can call it, anything that fits you loose so that you get the larger area. So first off, you're gonna need to remove the seam, rip off the seam from the middle, like so. Now turn the fabric in such a way that you get the bigger area, like how I've turned it. So now I'm gonna take a dress in order to trace down my measurements onto the fabric. Well, it is not necessary. If you have a tape, you can trace down your measurements on it if you know the method to do that. Well, I'm doing it both so that I can get the exact measurement. Still, I am going to mess the measurements up, I'm sure. And as long as you've kept the fabric really loose, it's fine. You can just sew it in, wear it each time and check on the measurements, and accordingly you can make it tighter or looser. Do not forget to add the seam allowance before cutting off the fabric. Yeah, I'm placing the dress on top of it just to make sure that the measurements are right. After you have stitched the silhouette, you can wear it and be sure whether you want it a bit more, a tiny bit more tighter or looser, and you can work it down accordingly. Now I'm going to place the same piece onto the fabric to make the back panel of the dress. Now cut off this fabric, leaving the seam allowance. Now we've got both the front and the back panel pieces. Now all that is left is to join both the pieces and hem the neck and the sleeve, or if you're looking for a dress with sleeves, then you would have to add sleeves to it. Well, the additional step that I'm adding here is adding some darts. As y'all know that I love my dresses to be a bit more tailored, and it gives a bit more of a feminine definition to it. So yeah, I'm taking the 1-inch distance from the neck and I am drawing the dart of about 5 inches depth. Well, you can figure it out. I just eyeball it. I do not take any sort of measurement, to be frank. I think, and all of us have a dress that has a dart, a dress or any kind of silhouette that has darts. So I suggest that you eyeball it and do it according to your own taste. Since I want some sleeves for my dress, I'm cutting off the sleeve pieces. It's a pretty easy procedure. All you need to get right is extra bit of fabric and the curve to be right. You can just check it out online and you would find a lot many patterns on Google. Well, I researched mine on Google. So I've stitched both the darts of the back panel. Now I'm gonna join both the arms together and then stitch the sleeves and then join the entire front and the back panel. Now I'm gonna hem both the sleeve bottoms. Up next, I'm going to join both the hem sleeves to the armhole of the dress. Now that we have made our sleeves ready, it's time for our last step, that is stitching both the sides of the dress, which joins the front and the back panel of the dress. So the last step is to try on the dress. To me, it looks a teeny tiny bit loose, so I'm gonna make it a bit more tighter by stitching it. So hey guys, this is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed it and are gonna make your own creations, and if you do so, please don't forget to tag #WithLoveSelena. I'd love to see your work, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Thank you.